Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be demonstrating EdPuzzle, which is the technology that I'm incorporating into my final project today. So this is the student view of EdPuzzle. So when a student would log into EdPuzzle, they would see their classes over here, and they get a class code to join a class, and they would have all the assignments that are listed in front of them. Obviously, with more classes, there would be more assignments, so on and so forth. So the only assignment that I have left to do for my social studies class would be the 1960s in America Part 2. So if I went to go start that video, I can play it, and the minute it starts playing, you'll see really quickly down below, if I try to skip, it puts this little lock button, which I think is really cool. So I can't skip forward in the video and I can't move past any questions, which is really, really great. And it forces students to be paying attention. So I already completed the other video. So I'm going to show you how that kind of gets graded from a teacher point of view. So I flipped back really quickly to the teacher point of view for EdPuzzle. So these are the assignments that I've assigned to my social studies class, and it'll show me here that in part 1, my student version has already completed it, and I just have to review it. And so what I can do is it brings me to this report page of how much the student spent on the video, their answers so far, if they completed the video or not. And it really, you have to go until the video itself stops. Otherwise, it'll show as incomplete. So then it gives you all the questions. And as the teacher with an open-ended question, I have the ability to say whether or not that was correct or not. And once it gets graded, all the progress gets saved, and the grade will be totalized when I finish grading all of the questions. So that part is a little tedious, but I really do enjoy all of the benefits that EdPuzzle gives you. And I feel like this video in particular, with the project that I wanted my students to complete, they would really watch the video. And because they have to pay attention and answer all of the questions, I felt like they were going to take away a lot more from the video, and a lot more that they would want to discuss in those papers, and that they could relate to a modern day issue that is similar to what they saw in the video. So I really hope that EdPuzzle would work in such a situation, and I hope that this was an effective demonstration and you got a better picture of this technology.